Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics with Rakshit. In physics, visible universe is made up of three things: dark energy, dark and matter and radiation particles. Our universe exhibits 70% dark energy, 25% dark matter and 5% matter and radiation particles. So whatever we have discovered till today in physics and science fall in the third category, that is matter and radiation. Since dark matter and dark energy are still unknown, what does actually it means still we don't know. So in the present video we will see two class of modern physics, that is matter and radiation. In the remembrance of Enrico Fermi, matter particles are also known as fermions. In the remembrance of Satyendranath Bose, Indian-born physicist, radiation particles are also known as bosons. So let's start. So modern physics is classified into two classes, that is fermion and boson, or matter and radiation. Radiation particles or boson particles are nothing but mediator particles of various fundamental interactions. For example, electromagnetic radiation is mediated by photon. Weak nuclear force or interaction is mediated by plus or minus W or Z0 boson. Thereafter, strong nuclear interaction is mediated by gluons. Second last particle is Higgs boson, which is the origin of mass. Through Higgs boson, all other particles have mass. Last particle is graviton, which in quantum field theory, gravitational interaction is mediated by graviton. In my last lectures, I told that according to general relativity, graviton doesn't exist, but in quantum field theory, physicists propose graviton particle, but graviton is yet to be observed in experimental lab because it demands higher energy scale up to Planck energy. It means 10 raised to 28 electron volt. But world's largest experimental lab, that is Large Hadron Collider, has reached up to 10 raised to 12 electron volt. So at present we couldn't observe graviton particle. So fermion particles are further classified into two classes, that is hadron and leptons. Lepton particle consider or exhibits three pair of particles, that is electron, neutrino, tau neutrino, muons and mu neutrino. Hadron particles are also further classified into two subclasses, that is mesons and baryons. Meson particles are made up of two quarks, while baryons particles are made up of three quarks. Proton and neutron are example of baryon particle, while pi meson, tau meson, zeta meson, kappa meson, these kind of particles are example of mesons. Let us take example of baryons. Two up quarks and one down quark makes proton. For example, here I have shown one schematic diagram for proton. Up quark exhibits 2 by 3 charge, while down quark exhibits -1/3 quark. So by summing this charge we will have +1. That is why proton has +1 charge. Similar to proton, neutron is made up of 2 down quark and 1 up quark. That is why by simplifying -1/3 -1/3 plus 2/3 means ultimately we will have 0 charge. That is why neutron has 0 charge. At last, quarks, there are three kind of quarks are there, and each category have one pair. For example, up, down, charm, strange and top, bottom. Up, charm and top type of quark exhibits plus 2 by 3 charge, while down, strange and bottom type of quark exhibits minus 1 by 3 charge. So in particle physics, whatever particles are discovered till today are falling in these categories. So in the present video, I have explained two class of modern physics, that is matter and radiation, or fermion and bosons. Thanks for watching and listening. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you very much again.